Let's say you're a creator. You create content regularly on YouTube. You are either doing this for your job or your passion, your business, or this is just a side hustle. But today there's an issue. You've discovered that someone has stolen your work. Someone just took your video and published the exact same video on their own channel. Today I'm going to share with you one easy, quick way to remove these videos from YouTube, to claim it back, and just create a YouTube claim right now for your copyrighted videos. So let's jump into my laptop and let's share with you how you can do it right now. Okay, here's the fun fact. I was candidly browsing the internet the other day, and I was browsing inside this notification box just right here. And I started to answer many comments on my YouTube channel. And if you have a YouTube channel, remember to always respond to people. And suddenly, as I was going down and down and down, I crossed this crazy thing. A notification from YouTube saying new copyright matches found. Review videos that may be using your content. At this point, I was just a bit scared. And I clicked on this thing and finally landed on this page. So this page was really interesting to me because for the very first time I understood and I discovered that someone was using my own videos, and not only one person but 3 persons. In this video we are going to go through the process of getting them removed and send a removal request together. So basically, if you want to find it, if you haven't received a notification from YouTube, you go on your YouTube account and then you go in the top right corner, you go to your YouTube studio. When you're inside the YouTube studio, you go straight to the copywriting section. You click on this, and on this page, you'll see all the copyrighted videos detected by YouTube. And that's where the magic happens. You can now get so much information about the video they've just identified as copyrighted and stolen, and you can go in depth to see what's going on. So right now you can see that this video just here has taken 100% of my video. So it's literally copycat, it's copy paste, it's crazy. I have no idea how and why you would do something like this as a creator. But anyway, someone has stolen this video, and what I can do is see the channel who's the thief, basically. And I'm also able to click on the video to see if it's the same thing. So what I would suggest you from here is always check the videos and always check this section on a regular basis, probably once a month or once every other month. Remember to give a look and have a look at this section because it may and might be interesting just to check if there's any videos right there. Anyway, click on any of the videos to see what's in there and check if it's your content. And basically, this is literally me. This is my entire video for 41 seconds. And if you scroll down, you can see that the channel using my video is Mike's Web, which is obviously not me because my own channel is another one. This is Wolfio, this is totally different, but someone stolen my video. And this is not something I'm really happy about, even though that's some part of the success when you are just getting any traction or views. This might happen. This is not a big issue because you can always request for removals. And I'm just going to confirm that this is my video. So I'm going through the video really quickly, and apparently this is my entire video. So it's just crazy to me. Anyway, this is a video from me. So I'm going to check the second really quickly. Apparently this one is a bit different because it seems that this one's been taking 20% of our video. So, or maybe this is 20% of their video, which is about my video. So I'm going to click on it and just scroll inside the video. And yeah, we are just here. So just here, about 2.5 minutes, you've got Sebastian from the team Wolfio, and the person who took the video just copy pasted this part and included this part inside this video. So as it's just 20% of their video, and it might give us some awareness and some visibility in some way, I might be interested in letting this go and don't even talk about it or request any removal. But for this one, the person who took 100% of my video, I'm gonna make a request for sure. So now that you know that this video is just stolen, you can click on this checkbox just right there, and then you can click on request removal. Finally, you'd have a big form to complete. It's really quick. There's nothing fancy or to be worried about. So make sure the video you're requesting, the copyright from is totally from you. You are 100% the owner of this video. So I'm gonna go through everything. I'm gonna change the details to be myself, your job title or role relating to the content in question. So I'm the creator. Then the country, United Kingdom, the phone number, the street address, the city, the secondary email address, and finally the state or zip code. And down on the third section, there's something you have to think and make a decision about. So on the left part, you can decide to schedule a send 7-day notice to the person who's responsible of just stealing your video. So basically what it does is you give them 7 days to remove your video, or YouTube's gonna remove it anyway. So you give them some time just to do it with no copywriting claims. So this will not hurt their channel. So on the other side, there's another method, which is standard request removal now. And if you click on this thing, that's gonna give them the ultimatum just to remove this thing right now. So what I'm gonna do for this video, I'm gonna create a 7-day notice, and basically I'm gonna also check the prevent copies of these videos from appearing on YouTube going forward. So I'm gonna check this thing, I'm gonna certify I'm the owner of the video and I've got all the copywriting things, music and everything. And then for the legal agreements, I'm gonna check everything and put my name. Once you're done with the form, remember to go in the top right corner and click on submit just here. So when you click on submit, the video is going to be sent to the YouTube team and they'll review your removal request. If you want to track the removal request, you just have to go inside the second tab just here. So under copyright, then removal request, just there, and you can see the progress of these videos. That's it. Now you have everything to get your videos back to your channel and claim them back if someone's stolen any of your videos. So now guys, I've got a video just for you, just over there, and this is the next step for you. So if you want to repurpose your videos from YouTube and get more views from Shorts, from TikTok, from also Instagram and all these platforms, do yourself a favor, click on this video just there. This is the next step. You click on the video, you watch it, you get more views and you grow your channel. Let's go, watch the video just over there, click on it, go.